Ladies and gentlemen, with their august presence on stage, we now declare Fagun Fest 2025 officially open. Thank you very much, sirs, for joining us here today. Thank you.
Thank you. So, Shranjana, let's begin with the evening. I think we have a lot of, colorful events planned up for the day. But to begin with, we will start, obviously, praising Lord Saraswati. We'll be starting with the Saraswati Bandana. On the vocals would be Shotarupadi. And we have Shreyoshi Deb Roy, who would be performing along with on the Saraswati Bandana. Thank you.
And of course, they will be accompanied on the music by Orunabo and Amit De. So we'll request all of them to join us on stage and officially kick off the Saraswati Vandana for this evening. Guys, please join us. Thanks.
Just one request. Can we have all the mobile phones on silent, please? Can we have a big round of applause, please, for Shotarupa, Orunobo, Amit, and Shreyoshi.
Jaya Ma Jaya Ma Jaya Jaya Jaga Janani Devi Mata Jaya Jaya Jaga Janani Devi Mata Jaya Jaya Jaga Janani Devi Mata Jaya Jaya Jaga Janani Devi Suranaramu असुर सेवी भक्ति मुक्ति दायी भय हरणी कालिका मंगल मुद सिद्धि सरणी पर्व शर्वरी शवदनी मंगल मुद सिद्धि सरणी पर्व शर्वरी शवदनी तापति निद तरुण तरणी किरण मालिका जय या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः भरम चरम कर कृपाल